They surpassed even Japan's Otsuka public listing just a decade ago.
Yes, it is. So it's as you said, it's the biggest healthcare listing in Asia on record. It is also Hong Kong's biggest proper IPO of the year if one excludes the homecoming listings of the likes of JD. So it's got quite a few landmarks and it priced at the top end of the marketed range. Healthcare has been a really hot sector this year. And healthcare IPOs are actually on a record. Healthcare companies are going public at a record pace. This year, they've far outstripped what was raised in previous years. Partly its investor demand has been very strong, and partly that's due to the coronavirus, which has focused everyone's mind on healthcare, not just obviously coronavirus related. And so the valuations have been really, really good. Yeah.
We are also watching the start of trading when it comes to Evergrande's property services.
Yes, that's going to start trading later today or quite shortly. That one was less popular than JD Health, perhaps unsurprisingly. It's a less hot sector, and also Evergrande's, the Evergrande Property Services parent is notoriously indebted. So that priced just off the bottom of the range to raise $1.84 billion. However, local media were reporting that it was trading up in the grey market, 3% up. Perhaps the cheap pricing might help buoy its performance.
Xiaomi, China's #2 smartphone maker, also tapping the public markets.
Yes, and to top it all off, Xiaomi has raised about $4 billion, selling shares and convertible bonds. That's the biggest top-up placement that Hong Kong has ever seen. It's going to use the proceeds to help expand its market share. Xiaomi has been expanding its market share from competitor Huawei, and its shares have also been on a real rally this year. They did slip a bit after its results on the September quarter, but still it did show that it's been grabbing market share, and so it definitely needs the cash to keep on doing that.